Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I have a pretty big general release that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. I know a lot of the general releases aren't popular with people, but this pair right here I really liked, and for a certain reason that I'm pretty sure you guys would figure out. So when we got these in store, my initial thoughts was like, this looks like an Off-White collab, kind of joking around with the people at work, and they're like, yeah, it kind of does. It has that bright orange outsole. I mean, it's pretty much the exact same shoe as just the white 270. But this one, I guess, is part of the Just Do It pack because on the heel tab, it does say Just Do It. And then it has the orange hits on it, which I thought was really nice. The only thing is I didn't want to buy these if I had that white and orange pair still from the initial drop. So I sold those on Go and went ahead and picked these up. So I went ahead and lowered down the brightness just because they were getting kind of blasted out in the light. But this shoe right here, as you can see, it has like a little orange tint right there from the outsole. Like I said, they reminded me so much of Off-White when I saw them, and I thought that was kind of cool. And of course, with my discount, these came out to about $100, and I was like, man, why not? So what I actually did is I put some neon green laces in here to kind of complete that Off-White look. It says shoelaces on it, and I'm not really too big into fake stuff, but they make these shoelaces like on Rope Lace Supply and Slickies. I guess that's how you say that name. And they kind of make like replacement ones, so I guess technically they're not fake, but I went ahead and bought these laces because I thought it looked kind of cool. I don't know if some people will like that or not, but I kind of like the contrast with it. It definitely reminds me of Off-White now like that, so I thought that was kind of cool. I don't know how I'm going to rock them though. The laces are like $10, so I was like, might as well. So here's what they look like side by side if you were to do that. They do sell orange ones, which would have gone, like, I think, really well with it too, but I just wanted to get those neon green ones to kind of match it, like how it probably would look if Nike did do it as an Off-White release. Another cool thing with these is on the inside right here, it has that heather gray liner, kind of like how the Dusty Cactus pair does. So you kind of get like a two-toned effect on it, which I thought was really cool. You get your orange swoosh, your orange air right there, and then of course the green laces that I threw in there. Overall, I mean, for a GR, it's definitely a nice shoe. If you're like me and have never been able to score on an Off-White release, and these might be the ones you're looking for because they kind of resemble it. Everybody really likes the Air 270s right now whenever I go into the shop. It's one of the best sellers that we got. A lot of people are really into them. I guess that has to do with all the marketing that Nike's putting into it. I would say that they're a really good shoe. They're really comfortable to me. There are some like flaws on them because they are a bunch of general releases. Like you can definitely see glue through the clear parts. But it's not a big deal, especially to an everyday person who's not super into collecting sneakers. I don't think anybody's going to notice that kind of stuff. I've had zero complaints on that at the store. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these green laces. If you prefer the green ones or just keep it classic with the white ones. Or if you would do something completely different. Like I said, for me, I like the green ones just because it kind of contrasts with everything and makes it pop. The white ones, I mean, if you're just taking white, I mean, this looks pretty clean. I just feel that it looks a little bit too much like the original white and black 270 that dropped. It's pretty much the exact same minus the orange hits, and that's it. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.